You switch to a new Android phone, you sign into the same Google account, and half your contacts seem to be missing. Before you start adding everybody back manually, check these settings. Your contacts may still be there, they may simply not be syncing or displaying from the right account. Think of contact sync like this. Your contacts need to be saved to an account, uploaded to that account, and then synchronized with your other phone. If one part of that chain is broken, the contacts can appear to be missing. Alright, first, don't change anything yet. Let's make sure the contacts aren't simply hidden. So you're gonna open your contacts. Open your contacts. You can open your contacts here. Tap this. Open your contacts and check which contacts or accounts the app is displaying. So if it's showing only one account, switch it to show all contacts, or select the Google account where contacts are stored. So we're gonna go here, see, tap this, put the three dots there, open this and check view by location, view by storage location, this, and here are all the accounts. Okay, here you will see all the accounts on this phone. So this is especially important if you have more than one Google account on the phone. So your contacts might be sitting safely under another account while you're looking at the wrong one. All right. Okay, so fix number 2. So if I view by storage location here, right, if I do this, you will see all these accounts, and if I select just this one account, it will show me contacts under that account. Or if I select all contacts, here I will see all contacts combined, all from all the accounts. All right, so it's important you check which account is displayed. Okay, fix number 2, check Google Contact Sync. So if they are genuinely not syncing, now we check Google. So on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, this one, I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to then accounts and backup, accounts and backup here, accounts and backup, and then manage accounts up here, manage account, and here I'll select the Google account that should contain my contacts. Don't mind me, I have all these Google accounts. So if I select, for example, this one, if I select this one, and I have to tap sync, then tap sync accounts, make sure when you do that, make sure contacts is switched on. So if it's already on, you can turn it off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on, and then use sync now if that option appears. All right, so you have to double check that the email at the top, like when you select the sync account, right, like I have different account, check the email at the top. So this tiny detail causes a lot of confusion when somebody has two or three Gmail accounts. So there's something also I found out that under this, when you go into contacts settings, when you go here to settings, you can actually set a default where did I see that before? You can actually, I forgot how I find, but there's a way you can set a default Gmail that your new contacts will be saved to. Okay, fix number 3, check where new new contacts are being saved. Okay, here is something else people miss. Sync can be working perfectly and you can still have contacts that never appear on another phone. Why? Because those contacts may have been saved to the device itself instead of Google accounts. So we're gonna demonstrate. We're gonna open. I already opened the contacts. This is the contacts, and then I'll try to create a new contact. So when you create a contact, I go here. When you create a contact, look at where it says the contact will be saved. If you want the contacts available across your Android devices, choose the Google account you actually use for contact synchronization. So let me make up some contacts. I'm gonna blah blah blah, and then when I hit save, here, it will have I have a default location set, but if you tap here when you're creating a contact storage location, you will have a lot of all different accounts on the phone, and you have to select where to save the new contacts. So when you create the contact, look at where it says the contact will be saved. If you want that contact available across Android devices, choose a Google account you actually use for the contact synchronization. So a contact stored on the phone isn't automatically the same thing as contacts stored in Google. All right. So a locally saved contact stays with the device unless you transfer it. A Google contact can synchronize to another device when you sign into that Google account and then enable contact sync. Fix number 4, Samsung account versus Google account. So Samsung users have another thing to check before your phone can contain contacts associated with different accounts. So don't assume every contact on Galaxy phone is automatically a Google contact. So you open your contacts and check the account associated with the contacts you were missing. So if I open I open a new phone, if I have a new phone and the contact is missing on the new phone, so open on your old phone, open that contact and check the account associated with the contacts. Okay, all right. And how do you check that, you may ask? Let me see. I don't want to expose a lot of information here. So if I open this number here, you check the storage location, it will show you where the account is saved under. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now fix number 5, check. So check which is saved. Then when you log into your new phone, you have to log into that account to be able to see that contact. All right, check Google contacts directly. So here is one of my favorite troubleshooting tests, because it tells us whether the problem is the account or the phone. There is an app called Google Contacts. You can get it from Play Store. Google Contacts here. Let's circle that one. It's an app that you can download. So if you open this Google Contacts, while signed in, make sure you signed in to the same Google account, and then you see whether the missing contact exists there. So this is Google, actually Google Cloud or whatever, right? So all my synced contacts, when I open this Google Contacts, it will be there. Okay, so and see whether the missing contacts exist there. So if that contacts are there but aren't appearing on the phone, like on the phone contacts, that points us towards a sync or display problem. So if they aren't there either, they may have been stored somewhere else on your old phone. All right. Fix number 6, check internet and then restart. Next, check the simple things. Make sure the phone has a working internet connection. Then restart the phone. After it comes on, give synchronization a little time and check contacts again. So I wouldn't start deleting accounts or resetting the phone just because contacts aren't showing. Start with the low risk fixes first. Now, if you're using a Google Pixel, a Motorola, OnePlus, or another Android phone, the idea is the same, even if your settings menu looks different. So you're gonna open your settings and then search for accounts, then Google or sync. Select the Google account containing your contacts and make sure contact synchronization is enabled. You can also search for the word sync instead of hunting through menus. All right. And remember, if your contacts were stored only in a manufacturer's account or locally on your old phone, turning on Google Sync won't magically move those contacts into Google. You first need to identify where they are actually stored. All right. Okay. Now, before resetting or trading your old phone, this is where it becomes really important. If you're about to factory reset or trading, sell your old phone, don't assume everything transferred just because you see some contacts on the new device. Open a few important contacts on the new phone, verify the numbers are there, and confirm that the contacts you need are safely associated with the account you intend to keep. Only after you've verified your important data should you erase the old device. Okay? So, quick summary. So, if contacts aren't syncing, check which contact is displaying. Make sure Google Contact Sync is on. Verify where new contacts are being saved. Check whether the missing contacts exist in your Google account, and then restart and sync again. If you anyway, let me say, if you tell me your phone model and whether you're moving from an old phone or fixing your current one, leave it in the comments. I may try to help. See you on the next one.